Volatility is picking back up, but the cryptocurrency market is, well, it's actually doing pretty well today. Bitcoin is down a little bit, sitting around $82,000 per coin, but Shiba Inu coin is maintaining this major level of support around 1,200 points per coin, unwilling to fall back down through where it was the last, I guess, several months here. Testing this, what is the date on this one? February 3rd. Testing this level again at March 10th, and of course testing it again today and over the last couple of days. This is a major level of support, and analysts are starting to believe that Shiba Inu coin could be setting up for a 143% surge to 3,000 points per coin. Now we're going to talk about it because tariffs have a lot of people scared out of their minds right now, and we need to talk about whether or not we should be fearful. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, as you can see, the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at a level of 25 today. Yesterday was a level of 24 fear. I guess it says 29, but it was, you just guys saw it, that it was 24 fear yesterday. So we're actually ticking back up just slightly in terms of the Fear and Greed Index, despite all of the volatility going on in the cryptocurrency space right now. Now, a level of 1,211 points per coin is low for Shiba Inu coin, but things could be much worse off. As a matter of fact, the stock market is down. You've got the NASDAQ down 5% on the day today. The world is panicking. And I'm going to be very, very blunt. I think that it's more than just panic. I think that this is an attack. And I'm not going to make this a very political video or anything like that. But I truly do believe that this is an attack. Not fear that this is going to result in some sort of an economic war. Not fear that this is going to result in some sort of a crazy depression. Not legitimate fear. But instead fear-mongering. And I truly do believe it's to attack a certain political party and a certain man that is in charge right now. And because of that, I am more confident than I have ever been in buying cryptocurrency. I am more confident than I have ever been in buying stocks. Sure, I don't know if I'm going to be able to time the bottom correctly. As a matter of fact, I don't care if I time the bottom correctly. Because if I sit here and I worry about today's price action, tomorrow's price action, the next day, and if I worry about it on a day-to-day basis, it is dead near impossible to time things perfectly, and I have come to understand that. But if I am willing to buy, and if I am willing to look at the bigger picture, and if I am willing to believe that this is not the end of the world, that we are sitting here in turbulent times, yes, but we are sitting here on the brink of major change, I am willing to accumulate. I am willing to live through the volatility. And I am going to see massive success because of it. And you will as well. Guys, there's a lot going on that we can't control. There's a lot going on that tomorrow is uncertain. There's a lot going on. People saying that this is a good idea, this is a bad idea, and so on. But I truly do believe that not only is the crypto industry going to recover, it's going to prosper. Not only will the stock market recover, it is going to prosper. And we are going to be sitting in a world redefined, one that is just meant for massive growth. And I'm going to take advantage of it. Plain and simple. If you're out there right now and you're falling victim to the fear and you're selling to me. If you are out there right now and you are afraid, but I am buying. If you are out there right now and you're wondering, is it going to get better? Let me just tell you, yes. Yes, it is. It has, and has always gotten better after the turbulent times. You know, it's you sound really cool when you say buy property when there's blood in the streets, but nobody wants to. You sound cool when you say buy low and sell high, but nobody wants to. You sound awesome when you say I'm buying when others are fearful and selling when others are greedy. But nobody can make themselves do it because the emotion takes over. Guys, we have got an opportunity, not just in Shiba Inu coin, but the entire crypto market over. Now, if you're looking at the analytics, it says an analytical insight has highlighted several indicators that suggest Shiba Inu coin could rebound extensively from recent lows to the December highs. Shiba Inu coin, the second largest meme coin by market cap, has shown bullish momentum as the crypto market finally puts the tariff madness behind it. Now, stock market is still very, very volatile right now, and we're starting to see some of the reactions from other countries after tariffs have been announced by President Trump. Some of them and some people are highly critical. Other people are highly accepting of what is going on right now. It says Shiba Inu coin has followed a similar path last week, rallying over 20% to a high of 1,500 points per coin before relinquishing all of its gains. An analysis highlighted that this was a fake out, and market participants are now observing the recent trends to confirm whether or not it's false momentum. Nonetheless, a TradingView analyst, whatever this guy, Bitcoin Money, has suggested that the trend may be sustainable. The Thursday commentary cited several bullish indicators that could spur a revisit to December's price highs. Technical indicators, indications of an imminent rally. First, the market watcher noted that Shiba Inu coin is trending with a descending wedge in the 3-day time frame, which has diffused any substantial rally since December's high of 3,300 points per coin. Meanwhile, the meme coin trades close to the channel's tip and not far from the crucial level of support between 1150 and 1200. And I absolutely agree. I'm right here in this area, and we are about to break that wedge, hopefully to the upside. But guys, if we break it to the downside, it doesn't mean that I'm selling. It doesn't mean that I'm crying. It doesn't mean that I am leaving the cryptocurrency industry. They highlighted several technical indicators aligning with Shiba Inu coin's favor. For context, they noted that Shiba Inu coin's relative strength index stands at 34, close to oversold territory at 30. Also, the RSI and the token's price form a bullish divergence, a precursor for a rebound. MACD is also looking good. You've got clusters algo indicating confirmed Shiba Inu coins being accumulated right now. I've done several videos over the last couple of weeks talking about whales buying Shiba Inu coin in droves. Here's what sets those apart, right? Those that are willing, because the whales feel it too, guys. People are emotional. You just have to learn to ignore the emotion, push forward, and believe in your plan. My plan is that this cryptocurrency industry is going to grow. Is it going to be volatile in the meantime? Sure. Are people going to be afraid of what tomorrow brings? Sure. But I believe right now we are seeing fear manufactured on a level that we have not witnessed in a very long time. And when that fear subsides and confidence returns, we are going to see an explosion like we have never seen before. So I am buying Shiba Inu coin, I'm buying Bitcoin, I'm buying Ethereum, Solana, I'm buying official Trump, I'm buying some Melania. I am buying anything and everything that I can get my hands on. One of the places that I'm trading is the KSX exchange. They got 100x leverage, literally the best fees in the game. If you guys are a trader, check them out. They got a link in the description below. 0% maker and 0% taker fees on a lot of the tokens that they allow you to trade. I am holding on Best Wallet. Best Wallet is my access to the blockchain. It allows me to have custody of my cryptocurrency. It's got a great user interface, a great layout, and it's got features that make it excellent for both beginners and if you've been in the industry for years. So I want to know what you guys are doing. Are you afraid, or are you ignoring the emotion, and are you buying? Let me know down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.